I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Let me hurry up and get out there. Oh man, it sucks. It took me a minute to get here. Stuff happens. I'm grateful to be out here. I think it was a pretty bad accident that happened on the highway. 50 minutes turned into 2 hours. So it's all good. We're gonna fish here, hang out. Should catch some fish. Water's a little low today. I don't think I brought a good leader. Oh, I brought a 6-pound test. I'll do that just in case. Even with a 6-pound test, I'm a little skeptical, but it's all I have. I forgot my 8-pound. Just gotta remember not to set the hook so hard, you know? I haven't had walleye in a while, guys, so hopefully I can catch one and keep one. Oh, it's shallow. Oh, jeez, almost fell in. Don't feel any buffaloes or carp or anything. Oh, boy, I had a fish, dude. Yeah, a bunch of stuff flushed down. Don't know what it is. Forgot to bring my sharpener as well, so I gotta use this rock to sharpen my hook. There's nothing here. Nope. Not away. Let's go. Spot number 3. We are at the spillway. Yeah, I might as well just bring it just in case. I got nothing to lose. Sorry guys, I'm losing hope. There's nothing here. I bet you just tons of carp here as always. Tons of carp. What the heck? Oh my god. First cast on a snag of a carp. Oh my gosh. There's like thousands of them over there. Look at this. There's thousands of them. Is it snowing? Bro, it's snowing. Oh my gosh. Carp. Buffalo or carp, one of those two. The water's actually really dirty too. Oh my gosh. The heck? Oh, I got a pike, dude. How'd you snag yourself? What the heck? I think he went for it and he missed. Check it out. I think he went for it and he missed. I got him on his stomach. Dude, he got a humpback pike. Oh, he got slashed before. Ugh. Nice skinny guy. Whoa, I got a crappie. Nice. Oh, there are crappies here. What the heck? I hooked into something. It's not fighting. It's just pulling dead weight. Ah, it's a buffalo. Right on the chin too. Yep. Oh, jeez. There he goes. Look at those guys. Goodness. What the heck? So dumb, dude. Ew. Messed up crappie. What the heck, man? Oh my gosh. Let's see what this is. Going pretty hard. Big old freaking scale, dude. Oh my gosh, got another carp. Yeah, I'm out of here. It's messed up my line. It's a big guy too. Carp after carp after carp, guys. I don't think that's a buffalo. I think that's a carp for sure. Ah, these things are everywhere. Can't even get my jig down to the bottom because of these things. There we go, popped off. That's it. I'm done. I knew it was gonna be like this. I just wanted to come try it out so I know not to come back. I don't know. What do you guys think? I haven't caught one legal fish all day. I haven't caught one legal fish in like 2-3 days. At least you guys got an update of what's going on today. Promise you guys, it's gonna get good. It's just this weird turnover that's happening right now. The water's dirty. It's not even like brown. It's gray dirty. So hopefully we can get onto some nice quality fish very soon. So with that being said, make sure you guys subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. I give up. I quit.